Hello everyone, quick video on how to change the car key battery on a Honda. So this has actually come from a Honda Insight, but this applies to all Honda, if you've got a key like this basically. Honda Civic, Honda Jazz, Honda Accord, all from about the mid 2000s all the way till about 2014 I would say. So if you got this sort of Honda key, here's all you have to do. There's a little screw there. So you unscrew that, so I'm going to do that now. There, you need that little mini so I'll do that now. There you go, as you can see this come out there. It's a tiny little screw, so you need those mini little ones, screwdrivers there to do that. There you go. So be careful not to lose it. Tiny little thing this is. So once you've done that, there's a little groove here. I hope you can see. There you go. Can you see that? So you're supposed to put a flathead in there and just wedge it in there and then pop like so, but for some reason my ones come apart quite easily. So there you have it, that's how it looks inside. You just take this receiver out, so let me just show you. Take it out like so. So you've got the bit where you've got the buttons. What we want to do is take this back plate off. So there's a slight groove again here. So just gently pry it open. Be gentle. No need to be brutish. And there you have it. There's the battery. Let's have a look what size it is. So I've taken it out, and it's a CR1616. So it's a tiny battery, not your usual size, but there you go. So go on Amazon or eBay, get yourself a CR1616 battery, and the process is literally the opposite. So you just make sure that there's a perforated side, that's the negative, is facing down, so it's touching the metal bit there. You just squeeze it in like so, like that. There you go, see? And then you get your bit with the buttons on it. So gently just line that up like so. Click it into place. Just to make sure it's working, just press the buttons. As you can see here, I've got a dud battery that I've looked up. You see that? No red. Right, so I have to go. See, this is why you check it, but so I have to change that. But once you've done that, you just literally get your again, so line it with the buttons, put it back in, and it's the reverse, so just align the back plate, make sure it's still sitting flush. Can you see it's not sat flush, so just press it down, make sure it all clicks into place. There you go, it's nice and flush now. And you just grab back the little mini screw that I had. There we go. Just pop that back in there. Like so. That's it. Can you see where I've got a dud new battery? So I haven't got a spare unfortunately, but that's how you work out if it's working or not, because there should be a red light. If I show you how it is on this one that I already done, so I should have really filmed it on this one. Can you see the red light showing there. So that's how you do it. Hope that helped everyone. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Take care.